Are you tired of doing the same old things day after day? Is your daily routine dull and boring? Well, have we got something for you. Introducing geocaching, the only sport that allows you to use multi-million-dollar satellites to find Tupperware in the woods. Through geocaching, you too can explore mountains and kayak through beautiful glacier lakes. We all know, however, that you'll mostly be walking up to lampposts. Just look at the excitement on his face. There are many geocaches out there, so you're sure to find something that you love. Whether it be a mind-boggling puzzle cache, or an evil micro, there's something for everybody.
Hey, gasgoose here with the geocache. See this thing? This is a geocache. Got a lid, take it off, there you go. You look inside, you got your logbook here, you got your pen, you gonna take this thing, you gonna sign your name in it, next person can find it. Take this thing, put it back in there, boom. You gonna take out any swag you got in here, there's a lot of swag. Take something out, replace it with something equal or greater value. Follow me, camera guy, you got a trackable, great. Take that thing, put it in here, next person can move it on. After y'all done, close it up, next person find it, go home, log a smiley, you're golden. It's that easy. It's that easy.
Geocaching already sounds great, but don't take our word for it, just ask our satisfied customers.
Geocaching is all about the adventure. I love it. If it's not at least a train for, I don't even go look for it. That's how adventurous I am. I love geocaching, especially event caches. Sure, finding boxes is great and all, but there's nothing like meeting new people. Geocaching is just the cool thing to do. You know, I just feel like every time I crack open the lid of an ammo can, my awesomeness level just goes up a little bit.
Start geocaching today for 0 easy payments of $0.00 plus $0 for shipping. But order now and we'll throw in absolutely nothing for free. Just pay additional shipping and handling. Consult your physician before geocaching, as side effects include, but are not limited to, excitement, enjoyment, a fit body, a sharper mind, first-to-find obsession, forgot-a-pen syndrome, the ability to read encrypted text, problems with addressing people by their geocaching names, a tendency to drift towards Tupperware aisles, and a hatred towards LPCs. To start geocaching, go to www.geocaching.com today. You'll be glad you did.